Guys, so we're back again with another video, and today we're gonna be unboxing the Sun Joe SPX6000C-XR RM, and this is a portable pressure washer system that includes its own water system, which is pretty much the tiny little bucket. But this is a great solution for people who don't have access to water, like myself. The apartment I'm living at right now doesn't have any access to water or any access to hoses or anything like that, so you gotta improvise. So let's go ahead and get started with unboxing the pressure washer. So it looks like you're gonna go ahead and get the battery charger. Pretty simple. The battery itself. A bunch of quick disconnects with a lot of different variety of degrees. This is the pressure washer gun. And then this little foam gun that it comes with. I totally recommend you upgrade your foam gun, especially with this pressure washer, because I doubt this thing is going to do anything. Here's the hose. Here is the pressure washer itself. So what you're going to find is after you unbox this thing, you're going to see the actual pressure washer unit itself. What to do is just take it out of the bucket. So this is your bucket system. What you're going to do is just, hard to do with one hand, but I'm going to go ahead and push this down and then clamp it so it seals correctly. Set you guys down. Push down, latch it on both sides. Boom, that's it. This is where, so this is where you power everything up. This is where the battery goes. Pretty simple. This is where you can select how much pressure you want. This is where the water goes. This is where the hose connects. And that's it. So now that we unboxed everything and we have everything that we need, let's just go ahead and install it so we could go ahead and give it a test wash. So for the gun, what you're gonna do is go ahead and just push it in, like so, and turn it to lock. There we go. To install the hose, you're just gonna go ahead and get this side of the hose. Jam it in there, and then just thread this part on. When you're installing the gun part, what you're going to want to do is just go ahead and jam the connection all the way through and just push and turn clockwise. Now we can just go ahead and start placing the different degree nozzles. And so I got this refurbished at maybe half the cost. So that's probably why I got 2 0-degree nozzles, but yeah, you could get these on Amazon for around $250 brand new, and I think if you wanted to get a refurbished one, I paid I'd say like $140, $145. So this is going to be for the trigger handle. It's a little mount. All you gotta do is just put it in there, just like so. Now you can unbox battery. And I heard with these batteries, I mean, it could definitely last you a whole wash, even multiple washes, but if I'm wrong, there'll probably be some text on the screen saying how long it actually lasts, but I remember reading that it can last you a couple washes. So now that you have the battery unboxed, you go ahead and just put the battery inside the pressure washer. Just start right up. Pretty cool. So now that it's all set up with the gun, the battery, and we know it works, we could go ahead and test it out outside on this thing. So I highly recommend getting the Bucket Joe for anyone who has an apartment who doesn't have access to water or hose. It's a pretty great product. So if you made it this far, thanks for watching, and please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing. Thanks.